Okay, today we're looking at the LAMY, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, um, transparent blue ink fountain pen. This is the medium nib, right? Um, I am no fountain pen expert, but this has been one of my husband's pens. He has gotten into fountain pens. I got him into journaling, and enjoys writing in his journal with fountain pens. And if it keeps him journaling, I am all the more for him finding a writing utensil that keeps him journaling. So he has really enjoyed fountain pens, and he really likes this particular pen and a couple of others. But I'm going to review this so you can see how well it writes and go over some of the key features. It writes really smoothly. I am no fountain pen expert, but this writes really nice. So kind of go over, see the pen here, and let's show you how it writes. So I have terrible handwriting. I'm not the best person for this, but the ink is refillable, so this is not like a disposable pen. I know there are some fountain pens that are disposable. This is sort of this is not going to be one of your top of the line pens. This is a really nice in the middle starter pen, but it's got the medium nib and it writes smoothly. You can get refills. You can it accepts the LAMY, again, I don't know, the T10 ink cartridges in a bunch of different colors. So it is nice that you can switch the ink colors if you want to, which is a really nice feature about this pen. So if you were thinking of getting one, I hope this has helped you see how it works and that it writes really smoothly. And either for yourself or a loved one that is getting just into fountain pens and they want to try different things out. I like that it's got this nice metal clip, and that I love that it's refillable and it's not just a disposable pen, and that you can change the ink colors. Again, medium nib. Hope this helps.